Race to the Top is a fundraising program that was developed and launched under the Barack Obama administration. It's a grant program that's competitive, and it rewards states who show a goal or plan and steps towards adopting specific education reforms, especially those that are a result of the No Child Left Behind Act. So in order to receive funding, states had to have a plan in place for teacher retention and recruitment. They had to have a process for closing underperforming schools or transition those schools into charter schools. They had to improve or create student data systems so that principals and teachers can more easily assess and track how students are improving. And lastly, college prep standards and assessments had to be improved as well. So there were 3 phases of awards. And so during phase 1, Delaware and Tennessee were the 2 states to show their plan and get approved. So they were awarded $600 million out of $4.35 billion that was available for this grant. During phase 2, there were 10 states that were awarded funds, and in 2011, phase 3 was launched, and they requested $1.35 million in additional rewards to states that adopted these standards.